So this week's market recap, right? I'm gonna go through what the market did and the trades I took. So basically I took one trade. It was a loss of GU USD. So this is how it looks like. So on this day, right, I kinda had a lot of things wrong, especially my bias was completely wrong. I did feel a bit of FOMO for missing a certain trade, and I'm gonna go through them right now. So basically the first mistake, which it doesn't matter because my bias was wrong that day, so the other thing was this was the solely reason for it about uh, no imbalance or price reversal. So basically, when price created the true market chart and it gave a pullback, it didn't leave any gaps for it to reverse from. And as you know, we need imbalance or price to tap into to reverse. So it guides us. I mean, if it does reverse without imbalance, it's just low probability. And also G was really correlated with E or nor XY, which I didn't see that, so it was low probability to take this trade to begin with, and because my bias was also wrong. The emotions I felt, so I did feel a bit of FOMO because I did miss out on the EU trade, so basically this trade. So this is the GU trade that I took around 9:16. So before I took this trade, right, there was a trade which happened over here. Yeah, that this struck this low. This the price was strong until this invalidation point. So here, I didn't, like I said, I missed out this trade because I didn't take it because I'm not gonna lie. When I saw this momentum, this bearish candle going down here, I was scared to enter, which I know the momentum of the price doesn't really dictate where price is gonna go. I still have a bit that's following me. That's a little bit of fear in me because I'm in a losing streak right now. And yeah, but when I did miss out this trade and I saw this trade happening, obviously it kinda influenced me to take this one. I'm not gonna say by a lot, but it kinda did slightly. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, but what else? Yeah. Oh yeah, and the how to prevent this type of mistakes. If market shift happens and you don't see any balance, wait till the next candle opens in 1 minute to see if it leaves a gap or not. So basically, right, like I mentioned, no imbalance it's low probability for price to reverse from. Next time I should have waited this candle closes above here and leaves a little gap, an imbalance for me to enter from. So then it will be considered as, valid entity to enter from. But if not, then it shouldn't enter. But besides this EU trade that I missed out on, there was another trade I did that I missed out on because, hold on. Yeah, this one. It was on Wednesday, I think. It was this one. So the reason on this one, right, again, I wasn't too quick to enter, which I'm still working on, right? So when price did a build-up inducement through market shift, when price was here, I was still calculating my lot size, and when I put it in, price went down a little bit and then went up here, so that was still waiting for it to get down here where it was, and then enter, but then price, yeah, from here, it just shot up, so I couldn't enter, because I wanted my stop loss, because from here my stop loss would have been like 5.3, which I don't like, and my risk to roll would have been less than 1:3. But as you can see, prices, yeah, shot up from here and took this internal or external objective. But yeah, that's how I need to learn how to be quick with my calculations and entries. But besides the missed trades, if you remember, I did mention that we're going to be bullish for this week over here. I was even hella confident about it, but obviously price just completely tanked, as you see from here. From taking from reactor of nothing basically, but obviously the price was still right, so that price is gonna still go higher, because if we reanalyze this, Condos the price is better from here and it's not yet enough 8 strong, and the price delivery for bullish is also stronger. So I expected from here Monday, Tuesday open here to go higher, but this was still valid analyzation bias. And also, I forgot to mention on this day when I got my bias wrong, at least my intraday bias wrong, price was already at an offer. So I was debating, right? It was Thursday here. So I knew price was yet of inefficiency, but since we were getting out of a stronger, because obviously we get out of this sweat external significant and yet of a strong POI. I thought that since the price delivery is stronger here than here, we're gonna still deliver bullish. Even though we already have inefficiency and I'd have a bit of liquidity, so I expected all this to get taken, but yeah, I guess I was wrong about that. But yeah, that's it for this weekend. We got the buys completely wrong. One loss, and yeah.